It is totally understandable that the families of the Cradock Four would want the Khampepe Commission to provide answers with regard to what happened to prosecutions. In the same manner, the families of victims of ANC landmine and bomb attacks also deserve answers. That is why AfriForum has now officially requested the Khampepe Commission to also investigate why senior ANC leaders weren't prosecuted with regard to these gross human rights violations. The fact is, AfriForum has already represented Mr. Dirk van Eck in 2007. He lost his wife and 2 young children in an ANC landmine attack. Mr. van Eck's stance was, and AfriForum's stance still is, that the book of the past should be closed in the interest of reconciliation. Should, however, prosecutions go ahead, as is happening now with the NPA prosecuting former members of the security forces, they should also investigate and prosecute ANC leaders. That is in the interest of equality before the law.